Mama look good. Pink. Somebody really put $10,000 that. Almost $10,000. I couldn't 1,000. Now I'm gonna lie to you, this is what I've been missing. What up, folks? That ain't even A mode, yo. That's B mode. Woo! Down a gas station we go. I hear you say a fret. Buy some gas. Let's select the best place to go. Okay, well, should just start pump. So I come at them places I can't stop, you know, cause I just don't like gas stations. Especially on a big bike, you know. You have to be paranoid in this shit, guys. Put on 15 bills 19 night and go home. Yeah, so I'm soon come back on me. Gas him up. Move no man. Two nights in a row, just different bike tonight. So we roll, man.
Watch it.
Go on. Up. Check with surroundings, make sure everything good. See a bike man a pull in. Woo. 90 up. Let's go. That's just first to second gear, and I ain't even stretch this thing out, man. I ain't even stretch, bro. This is what I've been missing, like. Nah, I'm gonna lie to you, this is what I've been missing. Shit, oh, me here at stoplight, bro, right now, on a night. God damn. Like, this power is what I've been missing, is what I need. Like, maybe not this power, but, you know, similar power to this. Find this bike hard to lean. Cara drive out from this, so slow down. Yeah. And this is where I met in an accident, so I'm paranoid. go directly through New Kingston. Well, this is the whole of this is New Kingston. Mind you guys, this is just B mode. This is just B mode, guys. It's a little bit restricted, but I don't want to die tonight. Man. Yeah man, you can feel the restriction in the mode. Shit, another stoplight, god damn. Shit man, I'm trying not to hit these stoplights bro, but shit. Red. Can't bother them stoplight yeah. These bikes are kind of nice yo, but shit, they're not comfortable. And they're not light. This thing is heavy. I'll see what we do with it tomorrow morning. Boom! You see that? See that bike man, they go through. Hey, if we did not go through that stuff like that, you know, me and him collide, you know, because him not gonna stop, you know. That's a think, man. Holy shit, bro! How fast was I going? But woo! No, dog, we can't see nothing. Actually couldn't see nothing a while ago. second, I'm not even in A mode. Oh my god! Oh god! Ay! When we roll the brake a while ago around the corner. Well, it feels good to have power that you don't really need, but it's there when you need it. It's good. I have the power! Nah, like the bike have this little whistle. I love it, a freak. Like the turbo is full up. God damn, my back's hurting me already. Have you guys ever heard that song? Move, bitch, get out the way, get out the way, bitch, get out the way. This bike's like, move, bitches. So I love the front brake, even though it's not the best. It feels, it's very, I mean, coming from a Chinese bike, oh lord, this front brake is awesome. Front brake is muy perfecto. Even though it's not, you know, 100%. God damn, the shocks, bro. I'm just bouncing off this bike, bro. I'm trying to lean, but it's come like the bike just a fight me, dog. I try to lean, but the bike just a fight me, brother. Just a fight me, sir. Bike I fight me, man. Like I just say him adjust the bike to film weight, so the shocks and everything compress when him dep on it. For me, he don't do that. Doesn't do that for me. He just the brakes just match. It's like the brakes and the engine just line up, brother. It's like them say fast bike, you have to have good brake. Whoa, what the frick? I approach that spot, I will just slow down for sure. Show a little reverence to my fallen brothers, you know? Don't speed around that spot, just show a little reverence to my fallen brothers. Just so bad, so I'm gonna take my time. what's wrong with people. Once a bike is behind them, they're just like, oh my god, go. You're like, oh my god, go. Don't stay behind me, go. I'm scared. Come on, bro, go. I try to look for the dog, them, you know. Oh, God, man. Okay, Papi Chulos, just got home. Got on some protection from the Most High as always, you know. Bad Mazzy Queen, respect to my brethren. The loan I did tomorrow morning, a mad thing in the streets, guys. So catch me later. Outside, come.